You have to use a very amount just to realise what you've been missing out on.
It has a lot of work done this year and it's not after giving any trouble. It's simple to work, the lads like it.
Compared to the trail machine, there's no comparison with the barrow out.
Slurry is big business now, and you have to be prepared for all situations, and having a plate compressor is part of that solution.
With this, flick the switch of the cab and that's it, she starts out with it.
Aqua Blaster is a serious job.
It's a great part, it's very simple to use, you can get into it quite quick. It does exactly what you need it to do.